In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to change split screen on Fortnite to vertical on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this, as you might be aware by connecting an additional controller to your Xbox, accessing Fortnite on the lobby, you will be able to access split screen mode. Usually this is applicable for the main mode of Fortnite, so the standard battle royale. Now, is it possible for you to manage and change this split screen functionality in any way? Because as you might be aware, by default, the split screen is going to be horizontal. You might be curious if if it is able to be positioned in a different way. In the case of this video, vertical. Well, if you go into the settings of Fortnite and you browse through all of the options, you won't be able to find anything related to changing split screen in any way. So as it stands today, is it completely impossible or do you need a specific command? Well, unfortunately, you cannot change split screen orientation in Fortnite. Fortnite supports split screen obviously, but it does not currently offer the option to change the split screen orientation from horizontal to vertical, and this is true for every single platform where you can do split screen on Fortnite, so both Xbox and PlayStation. This is a limitation of the game itself, and like I mentioned, it is consistent across all platforms. This is a feature desired by many players, however, Epic Games has not implemented this option yet, and they haven't made any comments regarding split screen. It is a very bare bones mode, so I wouldn't expect them to add a split screen orientation option anytime soon. You will only be able to play split screen according to the default settings that are put into place by the game. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware about the limitations of changing split screen in any significant way on Fortnite and how the game limits this option to an extreme. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.